You ever wake up and feel that dull stiffness in your knees, that ache in your joints that makes you move just a little slower than you used to? Yeah, I get it. A lot of us just chalk it up to getting older. But what if I told you that something as simple as a cup of yogurt could help your joints feel better, move easier, and even rebuild some of what time has worn down? Sounds too good to be true, right? Wait until you hear this. Because today, we're diving into something that goes way beyond breakfast. We're talking about 4 specific types of yogurt, each with its own superpower, that can actually reduce inflammation, improve joint health, and help you stay stronger and more mobile as you age. And no, this isn't another wellness fad or a miracle food claim. It's about understanding how the right nutrients and probiotics can support your body from the inside out. Let's start with the one most people already know, but completely underestimate: Greek yogurt. Now, you might think of it as just a thicker, creamier version of regular yogurt, but it's much more than that. Greek yogurt is basically a muscle-supporting, joint-nourishing powerhouse. See, it has nearly double the protein of regular yogurt, up to 20 grams in a single cup. And that matters, especially after age 50, when your body naturally starts losing muscle, particularly in your legs and hips. Those muscles are your built-in shock absorbers. When they weaken, your joints take the hit. Protein helps rebuild and maintain that muscle, and Greek yogurt delivers it in one of the easiest, tastiest ways possible. Plus, it's loaded with calcium and vitamin D, 2 nutrients your bones and joints crave. But what really sets Greek yogurt apart are the probiotics, those tiny, friendly bacteria that calm inflammation inside your body. Think of inflammation like rust in a machine. Over time, it builds up and makes everything creak and grind. Probiotics help clean that up. They can even reduce markers of inflammation in your blood, like C-reactive protein, which doctors often check in people with arthritis. And the best part? It's ridiculously easy to include. You can mix it with berries, nuts, honey, or even use it as a creamy topping instead of sour cream. It's simple, it's affordable, and it works. But that's just the first step, because the next yogurt on our list takes things to a whole new level, with a little help from one of nature's most powerful anti-inflammatories: turmeric. Yep, turmeric yogurt. You've probably heard about turmeric being great for joint pain, and that's because it contains curcumin, a natural compound that helps fight inflammation. But here's the problem. Curcumin isn't absorbed well by itself. That's where yogurt comes in. Because curcumin needs fat to activate, mixing it with full-fat yogurt turns it into something your body can actually use. Add a pinch of black pepper, and you've just supercharged the effect even more. This golden blend does more than just soothe soreness. It actually works at the root of inflammation, especially for people with arthritis or autoimmune conditions. Think of it as a gentle, natural version of an anti-inflammatory pill, without the side effects. Plus, the probiotics in yogurt help balance your gut bacteria. And that's a huge deal because your gut health is directly connected to how much inflammation your body produces overall. When your gut's balanced, your immune system calms down, and your joints start to thank you. You can make turmeric yogurt sweet with honey and cinnamon, or go savory by using it as a dip or dressing. It's incredibly versatile. But there's one thing it can't do by itself. It doesn't give your joints the oils they need to stay lubricated and smooth. And that's exactly what brings us to yogurt number 3, omega-3 enriched yogurt. Now, if you've ever felt that grinding, creaky sensation in your knees or hips when you move, what you're missing might not be cartilage, it could be healthy fats. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in things like salmon, chia seeds, and flaxseed, are your body's natural joint lubricants. They help your joints glide smoothly by increasing synovial fluid, the slippery substance that keeps bones from rubbing against each other. Omega-3s are also powerful anti-inflammatories. They literally calm down your cells at the molecular level, reducing swelling and easing pain from arthritis. When you combine that with the calcium and probiotics in yogurt, it's like giving your joints a total wellness package. Support for the muscles, the bones, and the connective tissue all at once. Some brands now sell omega-3 fortified yogurts, but you can easily make your own. Just mix a tablespoon of ground flaxseed or chia seeds into your regular yogurt. It's quick, it's cheap, and it can genuinely change how your knees feel in the morning. And if you prefer a plant-based diet, that's perfectly fine. Chia and flax give you the same benefits without fish oil. But there's one more yogurt that outshines them all when it comes to rebuilding what's been lost. Collagen yogurt. Now, collagen isn't just a beauty buzzword. It's literally the glue that holds your body together. Your cartilage, tendons, ligaments, even the cushions between your joints. The problem is, your body starts producing less collagen in your late 20s, and by your 50s or 60s, that decline becomes significant. That's one reason joints feel stiffer, skin loses elasticity, and recovery from small injuries takes longer. Collagen-enriched yogurt steps in to help rebuild that structure. It's like giving your body the raw materials to repair itself. The combination of protein, vitamin C, zinc, and collagen peptides in these yogurts can actually help regenerate cartilage and strengthen connective tissue. Vitamin C is especially key. It acts as a bridge that helps your body assemble collagen properly, while zinc supports healing and tissue growth. If you want to make your own collagen yogurt at home, it's super simple. Start with a plain Greek yogurt as your base. Add a scoop of unflavored collagen powder, toss in some vitamin C-rich fruits like strawberries or kiwi, and sprinkle a tablespoon of pumpkin seeds or hemp hearts for zinc. For an extra anti-inflammatory kick, a tiny pinch of turmeric and black pepper works wonders. The result? A creamy, nutrient-dense powerhouse that feeds your joints from the inside out. And here's something worth noting. Collagen doesn't just help your joints. It also supports your skin, hair, nails, and even your gut lining. People who take it regularly often notice less stiffness, better posture, and even smoother skin. In one clinical study, adults who took daily collagen supplements for just 12 weeks reported significantly less joint pain and better flexibility, especially in their knees and hips. So imagine this. Every morning, instead of just grabbing coffee or toast, you start your day with a bowl of something that tastes great, feels indulgent, and actually helps you move without pain. That's what these yogurts can do. And it's not about any single one being magic. It's the combination that really makes the difference. Greek yogurt rebuilds muscle. Turmeric yogurt reduces inflammation. Omega-3 yogurt lubricates your joints. And collagen yogurt rebuilds the foundation itself. Together, they create what your body's been craving for years. A complete system of nourishment that works with your biology, not against it. You don't need expensive supplements or complicated diets. Just a few simple habits, a spoonful of the right yogurt, and consistency. Because when you feed your body what it truly needs, protein, healthy fats, probiotics, and collagen, it responds. You move easier, you feel lighter, you stand taller. So the next time your knees ache or your hips feel stiff, remember this. It's not always about removing pain. Sometimes it's about restoring balance. Yogurt can do more than fill you up. It can literally help rebuild you. And if this changed the way you think about what's in your fridge, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Every week, I break down science-backed ways to stay strong, active, and pain-free. No hype, no miracle claims, just real practical health you can use. Because sometimes, healing starts with something as simple as what's on your spoon. Now tell me, what's your favorite way to enjoy yogurt? Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel. We regularly share new videos focused on senior health, independence, aging well, and natural solutions. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please leave a comment below and feel free to share this video with friends or family who might benefit. More helpful videos are on the way. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.